Now we're going to practice writing the equation of a circle from completing the square. When we're completing the square, the very first step is to move our constant to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 44 from both sides. At the same time, I'm going to rearrange the variables to where all of the x's are together and all of the y's are together. So that leaves us with 4x squared minus 16x plus 4y squared minus 24y equal to negative 44. Now if you remember from our equation of a circle, there are no coefficients with x or y. So next I'm going to divide every single term by those coefficients. So I'm going to divide everything here by 4. That leaves me with x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equal to negative 11. The next step would be to factor out anything that's in front of my x squared or y squared. There's a 1 there, so there's nothing to factor out. Then I'm going to look at my b term. In this case, I have 2 of them, one that goes with x and one that goes with y. I'm going to look at each of them individually. The first b term is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So I'm going to take x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then I'll do the same idea with my 6. So we have y squared minus 6y plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, squared is 9. And whatever you add to one side, you have to add to the other. We got to keep that equation balanced. Now I have 2 perfect trinomials. What multiplies to 4 that adds to negative 4? That would be negative 2. And there are 2 of them, so we have x minus 2 squared. Plus, here we have y minus 3 squared equal to, then I need negative 11 plus 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13, minus 11 is 2. Now that I have the equation in the version that I want it to be in, I can figure out my center, which is at positive 2, positive 3, and my radius, which is the square root of 2. That's what we were looking for. Here we have x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 6y minus 3 equals 0. I'm going to start by rearranging some things. We have x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 6y equal to 3. Then I'm going to do the b over 2 squared. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 equal to 3 plus 1 plus 9. Now I can factor. That's x minus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared equal to 13, meaning my center is at 1, negative 3, and my radius is the square root of 13. Let's look at one more with completing the square. Starting by rearranging, I want x's and y's on the left, constants on the right. So we've got x squared plus 8x plus y squared minus 2y equal to 64. Then I need b over 2 squared. X squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 equal to 64 plus 16 plus 1. Factoring the x's first, we have x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 64 plus 16 is 80, plus 1 is 81, leaving my center at negative 4, 1, and my radius at 9.